Good morning, students. This is Ms. Mizaki, and I'm going to show you how to build a Google tour really quickly. The first thing that you need to do is go to Google Tours. So in the search engine, I will type in Google Tour Builder. There it is. I'm going to look up here to the right to make sure that it is my account that is logged in, smizaki@blaineschools.org. There it is. And because I have not yet started this tour, I'm going to go to Create Tour. And I'm focusing my road trip inside of Idaho. You might be doing the United States, but it will be the same process. I'm going to call my tour, where it says tour name. I'll type in Mizaki, Idaho road trip. And what's the name? My name is Sarah Mizaki. Create tour. This slide up here is the introduction. It's kind of like the cover of the book. It's going to show your audience what your tour is all about. I'm going to go to add photo, and since I'm doing an Idaho road trip, I'm going to focus on Idaho. So I will search for an Idaho image. I think I'll search for a map. Idaho. I go to search for images, Idaho. This looks like a nice one. Select. It doesn't really look that great though here in my screen. It's not very exciting. I might choose something else, so I'll go here to edit. Maybe I won't. I'll trash it. That's what I'll do. Then I'll go to add photo. Maybe I'll do this one that's within the United States. That way I know where Idaho is in relation to other states. And I will select. And I am going to type in to let everyone know what my road trip is about. I am going on a 2-week-long road trip throughout Idaho in order to learn the geography and majesty of the state. And I see that I spelled majesty wrong, so I'm going to left click on it. Remember, if you're using a laptop, you'll need to use 2 fingers for that left click. And nothing comes up. Majesty. Maybe it needs an E, like majestic. And there we go, majesty. Needed a J. So that is my first slide. Now I can go to add location. We're going to start in Ketchum, Idaho. Add to tour. And I need to say something about it, so I'll put, I am starting my road trip in my hometown of Ketchum. And I need to separate Ketchum and Idaho with a comma, because we always separate cities and states with commas. Ketchum, Idaho. And I could add a little more detail, but since we're just running through this quickly, I will not. I would like you to, though. Then I need to add some photos, so I will go up to Add Photos, click on it. I have a lot of options up here, but I do not see Search for Photos. So I'm going to go to More, and I look for Search for Images. Images is a synonym for photos. It means the same thing. And I'm going to type in Ketchum, Idaho. I will look for a few images I like. Here's the sawtooths in summer. I like that. This looks like a view from Baldy. I love that. Here's a view of Baldy. And lastly, I think I'll do this picture of town, just so that there's a picture of town. Okay, and I could be done here, but I don't think I will be. I kind of want to start my tour on the map with a picture from the top of Baldy. So I grab the little orange man, and you see anywhere it shines blue, it lights up blue, I can drop this little man. And I think I want to start at the top of Baldy. So I'm going to look for the top where I know Lookout Express and Christmas come together at the top. It's kind of hard to see. And here we go. Oh, so here I am. I don't think this is the view I want, though. But here I am at the top of Baldy, so I know I'm close. But this isn't the view I want, so I'm going to hit back up here and to the left. And I'm going to grab my little man again and go a little bit. That looks like more of the view I want. I want some snow in there because that's what we're famous for. So here I am at the top of Baldy. Can I move yet? I can't move yet, but that's a pretty cool view. I don't like this one. You see it's from Rob Pro. I'm going to go a little further. There we go. Now here I am. This looks like the top of Upper College. This is right where I was thinking I would take my picture from. So I'm going to go up a little higher. And you see I am using the street walk, but I have a point to it. I'm not just exploring with my street walk. Please have a point to your street walk if you're going to use it. And maybe just a little lower. Oh, I like this view. This is a great view. You can see Ketchum. You can see the snow-covered mountains. So this is where I want my tour to start. So I'm going to hit lock this view. And now this view is locked. And now I'm going to add a location. And I'm going to start in Boise, Idaho. There we go, Boise, Idaho. And I'm going to add it to my tour. And I will write my first stop is Boise, and I comma, remember, Idaho. It is the state capital. And then I would say some of the things that I might do in Boise. I can add the day that I'm there and how long I'll be there. And then I want to add some pictures of Boise. Boise. Ooh, I like that one, that one. These are fun pictures of Boise. That's a nice one. Here's the Capitol building. And maybe not that one. That looks pretty good. That's enough images. Select. If I wanted to add some more, I could. And then, just like before, I think I want to start at the Capitol building, which looks to be not there. So I'll go back, and maybe we can get a little closer. And I need to find downtown Boise. There's downtown Boise. So, where is the Capitol building? Oh, so easy to see. Here we go. There's the Capitol building right there. Bring the little man down and find the view I want. Oh, I like this because it has lots of people protesting. So I'm going to lock this view. And now when I go to Boise, it will have this view. Now I'm going to add another location. I think I would like to go to Shoshone, Falls. I want to actually see the Shoshone Falls. So here we are, the Shoshone Falls. I'm going to add it to my tour. Along the Snake River, you will find the lovely Shoshone Falls. Inside Hell's Canyon. I like this geographical feature because with this I get my landform, Hell's Canyon, my water landform, the Snake River, and the Shoshone Falls. So now I'm going to add some photos. Shoshone Falls. Ooh, those are fun pictures. This is best in the spring, they say, Shoshone Falls. Okay, select images. Now I can look at them in the microscope and see my pictures. That one didn't work. That one didn't work. So I will want to get rid of those pictures by deleting them, which I do like this. Oh, they worked here. So, well, that one didn't. So I'll delete that. Okay. And now if I wanted to have a photo by the falls, I could click there. You notice I was looking for the orange and find a nice view of the falls. That's pretty good. So I'll go to lock this view. And there I have it. And then back to my introduction. And I can see my whole route that I've already traveled. Now let's say I wanted to go to Shoshone first instead, and I wanted to move these around. I could just move this up. So now I'm going to from Ketchum to Shoshone, which makes a lot of sense. So that was just a quick introduction. I hope you enjoy using it.